PC Services Optimizer is a software solution that is aimed at both beginners and experienced users, offering them an impressive lineup of tools designed to improve the overall Windows performance. PC Services Optimizer has been developed to target the aforementioned types of users with two different approaches. It has two different modes, namely automatic tune-up and manual tune-up, with the latter especially targeting experienced users who wish to optimize the operating system in their very own way. The application also includes an advanced services diagnostics tool supposed to identify the way in which you are using the computer, so you are prompted to answer a few questions before doing anything else. For instance, you're asked whether you are using a scanner or a digital camera, a printer or a tablet PC, whether you prefer Windows Defender and Windows Firewall as security tools or if you want transparent windows with 3D glass effects. Based on your answers, PC Services Optimizer can start optimizing your computer, disabling the services you don't need and thus improving the overall performance of the computer. The manual tune-up mode, on the other hand, comes with its own set of questions concerning system performance, system security, internet, and network, so make sure you have some spare time before jumping into the side of the app. The program is fitted with a detailed help manual so beginners can have a look in there if they're not sure that what they're doing is healthy for their machines. All in all, PC Services Optimizer is a must-try, especially considering the fact that it could boost computer performance significantly. See you next video, and now some music.